Hello everyone! Welcome back. So today, I want to go over Metaverse projects to invest in because it's definitely a great way to make money with the Metaverse. And while there are many in the making, there are also a few that have really good potential and are already doing amazing things. Let's get started! Meta Hero. Hero is a 3D scanning and sculpting network and company that creates in-game characters. It uses 3D scanning technology to create ultra-high-definition avatars of real-world things, including humans. Already, they are using 16K super high-definition scanners. It may also be bought or sold on the crypto market. There's also a massive dome on Meta Hero. Imagine being in a dome where you could gaze at the night sky. A similar technique is being used in a dome-like structure, where cameras capture the whole model of everything that stands within, including people and other assets. The idea is to build an inventory of items that can be used in various metaverses throughout the world. To put in another way, it's a fantastic concept to allow individuals to lend or rent out their own assets to other metaverses, such as the Sandbox or Decentraland, if they so desired. Those assets are housed here, and the objective of this business is to serve as a central point for each of these distinct companies, and they have a wonderful plan to do so. High Street, or HIGH. HIGH is a cryptocurrency venture in which participants have the chance to win. As a project that is both digital and tangible, this one is truly one of a kind. Tokens may be obtained by just playing the game and completing objectives. With the NFTs on High Street, virtual settings and the performance of the GPU has significantly improved. High Street harnesses this inventiveness and combines it with the crypto community's belief that real and virtual spaces are more entwined. Because their identities are already a hybrid of digital and physical components, the way we relate to the things we possess should reflect that. So in order for you to be at the front of this unique evolution, High Street is constructing a platform at the center of hybrid IRL virtual encounters. Star Atlas. Star Atlas is a multiverse RPG game where players may travel in time to the year 2620 and experience the galaxy through virtual encounters. Humans, aliens, and robots make up 3 distinct groups in Star Atlas realm. Players can clan up and will be able to return to basic gameplay modes, such as combat, farming, and crafting. But to progress in this game, players must first journey throughout space in search of new and interesting planets, each of which may contain valuable resources. So as a play-to-earn idea, Star Atlas players might generate money by monetizing their time and role-playing various occupations. You may be a scientist, or an engineer, or an aviator, or a businessman, or a pirate, or any number of different professions. It's built on the Solana blockchain. Ships, people, land, and equipment may all be purchased with it. The most valuable item in the game is Solana, which is awarded to the winning player, and the FTX coin may be bought or traded. Yield Guild Games. With the use of blockchain-based economics, you may join the YGG Gaming Guild and play games to earn money. They call themselves the pioneers of the Metaverse's realms. Funding for Yield Guild Games, a Metaverse crypto project, has topped $4 million and is considered one of the top Metaverse crypto projects. This independent decentralized corporation makes virtual world investments in non-fungible tokens. Its mission is to build a virtual private network economy in the world, optimize the value of the assets, and distribute profits to all of its investors. Yield Guild Games has built an ecosystem of digital environments and blockchain-based decentralized games that make money through the use of NFTs. This platform gained a lot of attention because of the outbreak. To put it simply, YGG promotes itself as a play-to-earn platform that unites players together to make money. Definitely worth checking out. Somnium Space, or Cube. Somnium Space is an NFT and video game sensation. It has the ability to create 3D avatars for its users. You can build, explore, and exchange virtual worlds and NFT assets with Somnium Space's virtual reality software. Somnium's WebXR technology makes it possible for anybody to view the metaverse online. Adding value to things by transferring them Polygon was selected by Somnium Space to provide global accessibility. So far, this is the finest crypto project in the metaverse. My Neighbor Alice. This game is cool. Gamers use their characters to explore Alice's open-world environment in the building game. So, communication with other users and the characters in the game can be important. Gamers use their avatar to explore Alice's world in the virtual world like Minecraft. And at some point, each plot of virtual land will be owned by a different player. Customizable plots of land are represented by NFTs. It lets you customize the look and feel of the landscape to suit your personal preferences. These NFTs can be traded or sold to other players who are interested in your work. The freedom to create and regulate the scarcity of one's own things is another perk of the system. Players work together to establish their own farm. It caters to the mainstream gaming audience as well as blockchain game enthusiasts. Players may purchase islands in the game and use them as land plots for their projects. A virtual island is therefore created for players to explore and construct on. But the game also includes in-game challenges and activities for users to participate in. In addition to the official tasks, users can plan their own activities and combine resources to accomplish them. The game's free to download and play, but the developers want to make money by selling in-game items and charging transaction fees. And there are many additional elements depending on usefulness in the game. Plus, players can show off their plots to other players when they've finished them. Red Fox, or RFox. Red Fox is an immersive retail, entertainment, gaming, and incentives experience. RFox Vault brings together the finest of crypto through NFTs, as well as real-world applications of e-commerce, gaming, entertainment, and more. And as a result of RFox Vault, the company has been able to provide a comprehensive range of answers for e-games, DeFi, NFTs, digital, and other areas. Using the RFox token as a means of trade, the project's VFox token provides holders with a part of the profits generated through the RFox Vault metaverse. Blocktopia, or Block. Blocktopia is a 21-story skyscraper dedicated to the 21 million bitcoins in circulation. Blocktopians will be referred to as token holders. It will serve as a central node and be open to users of all skill levels. Since no other platform has ever brought together crypto-related information and immersive media in one location, this is a historic opportunity. Participation in social events, learning about cryptocurrency, and exchanging it are all available to Block members. The greatest virtual reality special effects are made using real-time 3D production engines, and it's built on top of the Polygon blockchain. Epic. Epic is a pioneer in the early-stage game development field. A+ Game Studio is just one of the company's 300+ clients. Epic has been collaborating with many major gaming businesses and worldwide brands since 2018 to improve the gaming experience. The AAA video game industry also has a close relationship with Epic, and Epic's NFTs make it possible for players to make money off of their gaming talents while also having a prominent position in the game. Plus, it allows people to trade and engage with their assets beyond the game platforms. Now, Epic has over 250 game organizations and 1,000 worldwide brands on board, including Sony and Warner Music and Universal Music Group as well. Decentraland. Decentraland, an online virtual environment that replicates the real world, was unveiled in 2015. It alludes to a digital world that incorporates the whole metaverse, joining online events, engaging in online games, and selling digital things in markets allow you to meet individuals from all around the world. And like the others, on any popular cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance and others, you can buy or sell mana, the game's token. And mana is used to pay for digital plots of land and other products and services in the real world. Sandbox, or Sand. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach, Sandbox is a great option. A NFT asset, like a virtual piece of land, may be purchased, sold, and claimed using this token in the metaverse. Its NFT marketplace and UGC gaming technology are both exclusive to the Sandbox. It's also possible for gamers to invest in real estate in order to enhance their online gaming activities. Sand may be bought or traded just like any other digital currency. Sandbox avatars represent the 166,000 acres of land in their possession, and they have substantial financial backing. It has a strong Minecraft feel about it. Minecraft has more than 141 million users, and the sandbox and play-to-earn features of the game have a lot of room for growth. And generating money playing Minecraft is a limitless possibility, because this initiative is open to everyone. It's one of my favorites. If you're an adult, a youngster, or a gamer of any age, here is the place for you. So those are the best Metaverse projects to invest in that I am currently excited about. I hope you're able to learn a few things from this video. Hopefully you have some more ideas on where to invest in the Metaverse. Be sure to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more ways to make that crypto cash. Thanks for watching!